Poly V12 is a USB video bar for small rooms that's designed for simplicity and ease of use without compromising on video and audio quality. But they say seeing is believing, so let's see for ourselves. I'm going to take you from this
to this in under 5 minutes.
In the box, you'll find the following: a USB-C to C cable, an Ethernet cable, a display mounting clamp, and the device itself. If you don't want to use PoE++ as your primary power source, you can purchase the AC adapter as a separate accessory. On the bottom of the device, you'll see the following ports. I recommend connecting your display clamp first because it's easier to maneuver without the cables in your way. If you are using one of our other mounting options, you can skip this step. These next few cables you can connect in whatever order you want. So let's connect your Ethernet cable if you plan to use wired network for management. This is also used for the PoE++ power option, but today we're going to set up using the AC adapter. Next, we'll connect the USB-C cable here. And for the AC adapter, which has a USB Type-C connector as well, that will go into this port with the power symbol. Now we'll set our device onto the monitor to mount it and finish plugging the cables in. The device is now ready to use, but you can also further customize the settings in Poly Lens if desired.